Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on NOKIA T21. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Right here, find System, enter the gestures. Now let's check how they work. So first is jump to camera. If you can quickly open camera by pressing power button twice, and it should work from any screen, so that means on a lock or unlocked tablet. Let's try it. So it works, but at the same time it locks our device, or actually no, it's okay. Now let's go back. But first I want to turn the screen. Go back to our settings and find the gestures again. Next is system navigation, which is kind of pointless to explain here, but okay. So if you enable 3 buttons, you will see them at the bottom, and you'll be able to use this to navigate through your phone. If you choose gestures, the buttons will hide, and you will need to use this gestures like that to go around your phone. Next one is one-handed mode. If you enable it, then the notification bar should be pulled down so you can access it easier. Let's disable it for now because it will make everything more difficult. Now we have turn over to reject call. If you enable it, you can turn your tablet around and place its screen to the surface, and then it should reject all incoming calls. Mute on pickup. So if you enable it and you receive a call, then if you pick up your device, it will be muted and stop playing your ringtone. Double tap to check tablet, and now if you lock your tablet again and double tap, it should wake up like that. And lift to check tablet. If you lock your tablet again and pick it up, it should wake up. Because I think I didn't even enable it. No, it's enabled. For some reason it doesn't work, but okay. Next one is press and hold power button to enable Google Assistant. Let's enable it and try to hold the button. So it works fine. And last is prevent ringing. If you want to enable it, you will need to change press and hold power button to the power menu. Let's disable it. And here prevent ringing enables. And now we can use our power key and volume up key together to prevent any calls. You can set it to mute only. On some devices you have vibrate as well, but okay, let's try it. So they are muted like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.